Okay. I understand the problem now. It's the fucking title. Oh my days. We're so back. I should probably check though. Do the lives have any views besides me? No, that's how I wanted to stay. धागे का गाना is crazy. I love it. That's crazy. Okay. To start off, we're gonna do a monkey type test. I'm like significantly better. I'll tell you that much at least. But yeah, this is my gallium. Why does this look so much like dimmer on here? I don't know. But okay, I don't care. What the fuck? Okay. See, and that isn't even my record because I hit 38 something, I think. Yeah, 38 earlier today. It's impressive, I know. Let's try and burst now. Then what? Ah, so burst is bad, but like I can get. I think I need to get to like. I need to get to like 50-ish consistently to start doing stuff with gallium. Not switching before 50. I'm at a decent place though. Like 30 isn't too bad for what, like 4 days of actual practice. I should probably delete the stream. Okay. And the cool thing is I need to do quite a bit of work today, and we will be switching streams to Windows as well, like midstream, but it's not too bad. And yeah, the main thing that I was saying is I need to make a couple of things, like for example, how would I boot into Windows from Linux? And like, there's not really a way to test that on stream, which is unfortunate, but it is what it is. Windows to Linux boot. instant. Like I can do it. It's not bad, but it's annoying. You feel me? But yeah. And what else? Yeah. So that's pretty much it. So it's ABOUT. So it's ABOUT. What? What was that, mate? That is such a joke. What? I just forget where the words are, but like, I see the potential with this, and it is definitely insane. Where's K? Okay. And then not too bad, but it could be better. Like I started out the stream, so much better. We should probably fix that, but like I don't mind it necessarily. Like, yeah, you feel me? And I'm trying to watch it. That's cool, I guess. But okay, so I should probably like find shit I can actually play on stream, but I don't mind. Yeah, also those might get delayed, which is fucking crazy. Like, holy shit, what is it? Wesktop? No, it's not Wesktop, it's WhatsApp. Okay, in my new application I would like to have something else for the overview thing. Like an overview. What is IMDb the first? Like actually, if there was like a combo of using where I could just like press keybinds, that would be nice. But it's how it is. You can't really like change. And that doesn't work. Was it low-key feels nice though, like knowing that I can make that work. That's a nice plugin, low-key, but I don't really have a use for it right now. Also in GTK settings, settings, I'm gonna use, where the fuck is my icon? It's font. Also icon, I'm switching from this, wherever the fuck this, to Colgar, wherever this is, because this just screams nice, I guess, and that doesn't. Other font. What's the font? Sure, I guess I can't. That's cool. Oh, I forgot to do this. Okay. I don't really feel like it, and it's kind of an unnecessary thing that I do have, because it's not going to be replicatable on Windows, and my workflow should not be tied down with this, so off it goes. This can stay. Okay, so you can do like a force finger swipe up or down to get that, which is cool. But why? Oh, I have a very cool idea. Wait, I have a very cool idea. Wait. Okay, 4 finger swipe off, 3 finger swipe. 1, 2, 3. And there we go. No, I do not want that. I will want 4 up, 4 down. And then 3 up, 3 down. Yeah, so 4 up, 4 down, 4 left. I already used 4, and 4 isn't useful enough for me to switch to it constantly, so like doing this would be nice. Okay, at least I know how it works. Yeah, so let's just, yeah, okay, so. Three up, so 4 up is 1. 4 down is 5. 4. Okay, that's cool, I know, but because I don't want to overload it with extremely unnecessary features, but this is kind of nice. So I could just use this and see if I like it a lot, and then we could have it. Socials. Yeah, this is cool. Yeah, I like it. So Control S, and I'm in the Shift 1. Yeah, and then just boom. Okay. It's inconsistent. I would much rather use that. Like, having down for that is nice. I will keep doing that. I can just do this, and then like, yeah, that's nice, low key. That's really nice. And yeah, that's pretty much it actually. So we also have this band to do stuff, and we can just like scroll through stuff. Randomize screen, sure, obsidian, sure. I have a plugin thing that I want, and it's like my fucking bitch. It's like called mango something, right? And I would like to open it, but it's gonna open. Yeah, fuck ass. I like that, and that's good, and that's why I have that. I can just move that to this side, which will be nice. Visually even, like, you can't even, like, blame me for wanting to have that, right? Can I just, like, have two things, like, two layouts? Because I don't see the point of, like, half of them. And I could just test them, to be fair, but the point of and that feels instantly like nice, right? And just scrolling, I can tell me we have Firefox and other instances. What is in between here? Okay, I guess. And then if we do like, I don't know, I don't have Telegram on this, but like, let's say I do foot here, which is Teams by the way, which is crazy. Oh yeah, like I can apply the thing to theme. I don't like that team chat. Wait, it applied. Actually, might have applied already. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, no, it's kind of dog shit, chat. Holy shit. It's cool that I can theme it, but I would rather not, you feel me? Like, it's cool and all, like, I would use this, like, genuinely, but, oh, it is nice though. Actually, no, like, this, I don't get by that. Like, I would rather not have themes, but I do need to turn off animations. Accessibility, no. genuinely is fine because I have that set as well. So I can't even tell that I have a. Wait, what? That should not do that. That works like perfectly fine. But my issue is most of the time I will be using like Fumi, and I will use scrolling for the fourth workspace. But yeah, so how can I limit the layouts for magowc? This was a pretty fun journey, low-key, and now I'm gonna forget that how I have a like very niche compositor and just use it ideally. And what do all the layouts do in the first place? And I would probably like bind it and notify it like that. Okay, like half of these are useless. The only ones I'm interested in are tile, because that's what I use. Maybe center tile, but like it's kind of useless. So does it not have tabs? Does it have tabs? I remember it saying it had tabs. I'm fine with it low-key though, because I don't use tabs. But that's kind of sketchy though. Because I remember it saying it does have tabs. Oh, it's because of this fucker. We could just move it here. I'll just quit, honestly. Like low-key. That's grid. That's flat. That's monocle, I guess. And this is what I usually use tile, right tile. Or vertical scroller. Vertical tile. Or vertical grid. Vertical leg, TG-Mix, and this is what I use. I like tile. It's good, it functions, I don't mind. So I won't really switch, but how can I set specific to use certain types of tiling, or whatever you want to call it. shitting me? You have to be shitting me. Mate, you can't do that to me. Holy fucking shit. You can't do that to me. I can't do that on stream, fucker. Holy shit, you are such an idiot. But there's a monkey type on here, and then you just do layout name in front of that, and then just like scroller, for example. I want this for workspace 5, I think is the one that I want it for. Okay, where is it? Have 3 script tag. Oh, yeah, here we go. You just do that. That's cool, I guess. Could just probably make that into one thing, like realistically. Why the fuck can't you do that? Okay, let's just like quit this. And then just add desktop again. And then what's that? Fuck it. It's still doing this. So like if I go here, Windows D, desktop, not this motherfucker.
Baby.
Yes. Okay. That should work. I don't really care, but like I really only need scroller and tiling. That's the 2 things that I would like to have on me pretty much always. And I don't mind that. So I don't really like that, but it works, and it's like probably not even using that much resources, to be fair. It's like probably event triggered, right? Like all that. This is mine. Now that we're here, how do we do this? Interesting. Interesting. So I would like really only use 2 layouts, which are tile and this. So what? Oh yeah, so we could do config cd mangoes tab, not this motherfucker. C then config conf and then that, and then to use to play this game. That's called Brawl Stars, right? Wait, brother. Wait just a second. What was I even gonna say? Okay. Make keybinds. No, can I? Gee. Yeah, it's not worth it. I should really like super Q and then like change that. I should really change that. Super plus. Okay, there we go. We got the backspace thing working, which I do prefer. Like, and I'm not closing windows that often anyways. And reaching and make sure that I can't do that. Okay, so Control V, did I not copy? Fuck me. Control AC, Control V. Okay, so I need you to suggest me keybinds switching between scrolling and yeah, I'll remove that because like I'm never cycling layouts, right? Or like add a shift to it because I'm not doing that. Scrolling and tile mode. And yeah. Yeah, we could just do that as well. Tile, or if you want a single toggle feel. Yeah, I would like something like this actually, like window space, like grave. How about modifier? That seems fair enough. Okay, where do we add this? Just go down, I guess. Which is genuinely absurd to me because I don't. Like, there should be a way to go, like, all the way down, which is fucking crazy. Well, sure, mate, sure. There are no nesting in this, which is really nice, to be fair. I really do appreciate that, but let's make another Firefox window and then just see how easy it is to switch. Yeah, this is nice. And then just this to switch back. Actually, I would rather have shift because I can then do this, which is nice inherently. Just yeah. So I just Windows D. No, it was this here. Now if we do, yeah, Windows Grave, does switch it to that. And then Windows Shift Grave should switch it back, and then yeah, that's so nice. Yeah, I genuinely am in love with my current setup. It's so fucking peak, genuinely. I cannot understate how good my current setup is, and I need to change that. Where is it? It's in the board, I don't know. Behavior. I would rather have nothing down there, it's fine, I don't care. Monitors. Appearance, just doing this and this too. No, I wouldn't like Loki have a fucking center, top center. Is that not an option? There is. Okay, or like bottom right actually. Top centers fine. And displays like us, keys. Do I? No, not really. I don't really care. This is a lot faster than doing this. But I don't care really. Like if I'm on here, yeah, but like if I'm eating or doing something, then a quick this or like a quick this is like a lot better. see any issues, then is there any Royfi menu picker? Because I'm already using Royfi for like a couple of things, and I would like. Yeah, and I could. That's what I'm saying. You could have just told me. Well, more proper output like this. Okay. No, okay. I think the issue is if you do Rofi/D menu, it does do that. Okay. What if you? Okay. So we go here, and then what? Sure, I guess. We're here. That's fine, I guess. I genuinely don't know, but yeah, like what paths do they give? Keep doing Control Shift C. Says Z Control Shift V. Yeah, I have this set up like in exaction. But like, sure, let's try this. That didn't work. BCW. They're making. Check. Okay. The problem is your that, which is problem is your it's probably not set or to something. So if we go here and then do this, it says mango, but that isn't the issue, no? No, the issue is the Rofi menu isn't popping up. This is what I wanted. So we can show it now. The debug portal was this way. Okay, wow. So we just run OBS again and launch anyway, run in normal mode, and we'll just do this so I have saints config. Here we are, and this isn't streaming, this is by, that's iffy. If I delete this, yeah. If I delete this as well, and then I add a new one, call it whatever you, call it like screen capture gay. Okay, it pops up now. That's cool. That works. Okay, config file for. Oh no, sorry. Give me a stroke, baby, give me a stroke. Okay. So let's see what I have done out of my gazillion thingies that I need to do. So yeah. So in this tab is never touching that feature again, right? Even though I have it bound, I think. Actually, I know. Thank you. Thank God. Combo view basically couldn't make that work because it isn't a feature, and I'm fine with it. I can't like shift to one space and then like do shit like that. It's not the same, you feel me? It's fine, I guess. I don't really mind it. Like, you feel me? 3, like, it's fine. Default. I don't know what default is. Caps for one word and then caps turn on. So I need to optimize my content. That's one thing that I want. And we're not going to do that today. Rosie picker for W root, we got that working. Linux to Windows booter, that's weird. Okay. Is there any way I could make a command that shuts down Linux, boots into Windows immediately? So this works. We can I need to piss real bad. I'll be back. No. Okay, chat back. No, why is it still running? What the fuck? Okay, so for the alias, this. We could just do this. Like, where is a session? can just do and then type a button, right? Now shut down, enable, session end, hooks. No, I don't want that. Plugins, where are the plugins? No, brr. Session menu, here we go. Actions, I need to add one. Can I not add one? Wait, wait. What is this do? I should be able to add more, no? Horchata. So suspend, I rarely do that. And lock you would never do. Like realistically. So I'm getting rid of that. And you can change orders as well. So number 1 would be shut down. Right? Number 2 would be suspend. And actually number 1 would be this probably. Reboot to UEFI. And then default command is this. And then we're going to do control V, right? Which we're going to test right now. So stream is going to end. But 2 and then 3. So let's actually see. And that feels a lot better to me at least. Right, hibernate. Why is hibernate? So we're gonna try right now. Oh yeah, I forgot. Bye bye, kiddos. Okay, it did not do anything. It genuinely did not do anything. That's crazy. Hey, that's why do I still have this one? That's genuinely crazy. So I was hyped up for no fucking reason.